YouTubers, what is up? Will with F1 Tech. Today guys, I want to give you a little bit of an update with the channel, and as you can see, I haven't really been uploading much videos as of late, and the reason being guys is not that I don't have content. As you guys know, that everything that I review, everything that I put out is on items that I've purchased and owned myself. I do have a good amount of content that I can still provide to you all as far as my niche, and I'm pretty much leaning towards the hi-fi audio as my niche, especially headphones. I do dive into computer peripherals like mouses and keyboards and things like that. I'll be popping a few here and there on that aspect, but what I want to tell you guys is that the reason I haven't been uploading as of late is because I've been having issues with my main computer. If you guys look through my channel, you'll see that I have my highest view count for a video is my Digital Storm experience. That's the company that I bought my computer, my custom built computer with, and unfortunately the custom water block that cools the system cracked, and it appears that it's been cracked ever since delivery. I'm gonna make a follow-up video about that for that video specifically with Digital Storm. I'm going through their customer service, and just starting off, they've, from my experience with the first go around to this, it's been a complete 180. They've been absolutely great to deal with over the phone. I've been dealing with a guy named Dexter, and this is going to come out in that second video that I'm going to make my follow-up video. But so far so good. I've been told that I'm going to have a surprise when I receive my computer, so I'll be documenting all that and sharing that with you guys. Until then, I'm using my laptop to edit my videos. The issue with the laptop is it's not the greatest. It's actually an Ultrabook, and it has trouble doing what I like to do as far as editing my videos. So I'm pretty much gonna have to hold off until I get my computer back. I do have a pretty beefy computer that I gave to my kids, but I'm not gonna take away their computer so I can put YouTube videos. I'm not like that, so I'll just wait until that computer gets here. We'll document everything, take a video, show you guys what I received back, and we'll go from there. And from that point on, I'll be continuing with what I do, what I'm doing right now, which is headphones, amplifier reviews. I got a good amount of amplifiers. I have the ZMF Blackwoods that I've had for a few weeks now, and I would love to review that. It's made with Manchurian ash. It doesn't have the actual Blackwood on it, and it's been amazing so far. But I do have other headphones that I can review. I'm going to do some versus series, things of that nature, so look out for that. Also, as you guys can see, I've kind of made some changes with the whole studio. So I'm moving away from my computer room and into my garage, where I set this whole thing up here. Probably gonna stick to this, as it gets pretty hard to record inside the house. I have 3 young children, and sometimes it doesn't work out when I want them to be quiet. So and then the wife likes to do her cleaning and things like that, so it becomes very difficult to try and record in that room. So I'm doing this whole new thing with the garage. Hopefully it works out. The sound quality, I think I have to do some work with the soundproofing in here. It might be some type of echo, but I'm gonna try. We'll work it through right now with what I have, and then moving forward we'll make things a little bit better. Guys, I appreciate everyone who's been supporting me as of late. I've jumped pretty quick from 100 subs now to, as of right now, 350 plus. So thank you guys for that. Again, I do this just for fun. I'm not really making a career out of YouTube, so I'm glad you guys enjoy the content that I'm giving you, and hopefully you'll like the content that I'll be coming hopefully you'll like the content that I'll be giving you guys in the future. Well guys, that's it. That's pretty much the update that I have for you guys. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. If you want to hit me up, just go ahead and write something in the comment section down below. Hit that like button. Guys, thank you for all your help and support. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm Will with F1 Tech, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.